Welcome to Social Studies with Miss Bright. I'm so excited to get started. For some of you, social studies is a new subject, so let me explain. Social studies involves civics, history, and geography. It deals with human relationships and the way society works. We do have our daily message, and it reads, "Hi teammates, today we will begin learning a new subject, social studies. We will start with talking about good citizens. Love, Miss Bright." Okay, so we do have our question board here for our lesson question. And our question is, how do people best cooperate? Again, how do people best cooperate? We have a new vocabulary word that we're going to learn. So I have one envelope. On the envelope has different clues written on the outside so that you can figure out what the word on the inside is. On the outside, it says respect, talk, and help. So these are the clues to help us figure out what the word is on the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the envelope to see what the word is. And the word is cooperate. And cooperate means to work with others. Now that we know what the definition of cooperate means, we're going to talk about ways to cooperate. So one way that we can cooperate is to communicate. Communicate means to talk to each other. It's important that we're able to listen to everyone's ideas because everyone's ideas are important. So the first one is communicate. Another way that we can cooperate is to respect each other. So when I say respect, I mean showing kindness, using your manners. Another way that we can cooperate is to listen to each other. Another way is to help each other. And we can also find ways to solve problems. So, some ways that we can cooperate with each other is to communicate, to respect each other, to listen to each other, to help each other, and to find ways to solve problems. To help us further understand what the word cooperate means, I have a special guest to help us out. Meet Jeremy. Jeremy is going to role play with me some examples of what a good citizen is. We're gonna go ahead and get started now. Hi, Jeremy. Hi, Miss Bright. How are you doing today? I'm doing fine. Miss Bright. Yes, Jeremy. Do you think I can borrow your pencil sharpener? My pencil broke. Of course, Jeremy. Here's my pencil sharpener right here for you to use. Thank you so much, Miss Bright. Okay, so me and Jeremy are going to role play another example of how to be a good citizen. Miss Bright. Yes, Jeremy. I don't have any markers to color my paper. Can I please borrow some of yours? Sure. Jeremy, here's my markers right here. Thank you so much, Miss Bright. You're welcome, Jeremy. Anything to help. The next part of our lesson, I'm going to read you a story and ask you a few questions. Make sure you're listening carefully to the details. Anne shares her crayons. Tim listens to the teacher. Jill and Bob take turns. Anne, Tim, and Bob follow rules. They treat the things in their classroom well. They are good citizens. A citizen is a person who belongs to a group of people. These students are citizens of a class. They are citizens of a town too. They help make the town a nice place to be. They do not litter. They help keep the town clean. They follow the rules. Good citizens could be great friends and neighbors. So question number 1. What is the story about? How to share crayons, being a good citizen, or picking up trash? All right, so the answer is being a good citizen. Number 2, how is Tim a good citizen in the classroom? Listening to the teacher, taking turns, or sharing crayons? All right, and the correct answer is listening to the teacher. Question number 3, if you are not a good citizen, then you would share, ignore the teacher, or take turns. You would ignore the teacher. Question number 4, what does the word litter mean? To throw trash on the ground, to share, to put trash in the trash can. The correct answer is to put trash in the trash can. And number 5, if they help keep the town clean, they are being good citizens, not following the laws, or listening to the teacher. And it's being good citizens. The last activity that we're going to do is talk about what makes a strong citizen and what makes a weak citizen. So these are going to be strong character traits of a good citizen, and then these are going to be weak character traits. So for strong, we have sharing a book. So if you share a book with someone, you are being a good citizen. A weak is going to be bullying. Another strong is cleaning up after yourself. A weak is going to be fighting over a toy. Another strong is listening to your teacher. A weak is arguing. Another strong is playing jump rope with a friend. And a weak is becoming angry and losing control. Sorry, that came off. All right, so again, some examples of each. If you are a good citizen, you share, you clean up after yourself, you listen to your teacher, and you play jump rope with a friend as an example. If not, then we see examples of bullying, fighting over a toy, arguing, becoming angry, and losing control. So we talked about ways to cooperate with each other. We also talked about what makes a good citizen and what does not. I hope that you are not only working on being a good citizen at school, but also working on ways to be good citizens at home. I will see you all next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Love, Miss Bright. Bye.